I know it's been a while, but we're back. We're gonna get the bike ready and we're gonna go for a little day trip here in Central Texas. All right, so the problem I'm having is when I turn on the key, the headlight comes on, but the passing lights do not work. And the phone charger is also tied into wiring for the passing lights. So it's all in the headlight housing, as you can see right here. Boom, there's the headlight and no passing lights. So we're gonna get in this headlight housing and see what wires have come disconnected or shorted out or whatever maybe. Probably can't see it, but right here is a Phillips screw. There's one on each side, and just have to take my word for it. Two of those come out and this headlight housing just pulls right out. Anyway, there's one. And there's two. And now this housing can come off. Alright, so I haven't been in here but one other time, and when I did, I noticed that there were wire nuts in here, which I guess the previous owner had done that. So we're gonna kind of root around in here and see what we can find is the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is the issue right here. It didn't explain why the other passing light's not working though. I will have to replace all this right here. For right now, we're just gonna get it working because I don't really have any other wiring options right now. So I'm gonna rewire nut it like that, and see, that's not working. That's not gonna get a good connection. All right, so word of caution, we are not fixing this correctly right now. So, because I know if I don't say that, I'm gonna get comments saying, hey, that is not the right way to do that. Trust me, I know. All right, so just for the time being, we stripped these wires a little bit longer than they were, and that should get us through. We're gonna try to intermingle all these wires, put them into your wire nut right here. Like I said, don't do this as a permanent fix. It's not, definitely not the right way to do it. But that's gonna, I think that's gonna do us for right now. All right, as you can see, this one isn't working. Just take a peek. Maybe the bulb. All right, yeah, it looks like that is the bulb. So. All right, y'all, it's a little cold this morning. Yes, we are in Central Texas. I don't know if you, I'm sure you can see that. That is snow. About 2 days ago, we got the most snow we've gotten in, I think since they set up 2004. Out here, we got about 4 inches of snow, which is the most I've ever seen here, I think, in my life. The only time I've seen more is when we went to Colorado and went snowmobiling. So I'm kind of surprised the snow stuck around, because it, like I said, it was 2 days ago when it snowed, and it got about to 45 yesterday, maybe 50, and it stayed on the ground. I wanted to wish everybody a belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank God we're out of 2020. Jesus. Show that was. And as far as the channel, we didn't do much in 2020. Wasn't a whole lot of time for a bunch of riding. And ordinarily I'd be kind of bummed about, but I'm not, because we had a baby in February of 2020, and she's amazing and crazy all at the same time, and it's been so much fun. So, but today we're just getting out to ride. We're not going anywhere in particular. We're just gonna see where the road takes us. We're gonna go to Elgin and have breakfast, and then go from there. Also, you probably noticed something new, and here we go. I have to open my visor again because I can't see. You'll probably notice the speedometer down in the corner. That's something I've been playing around with that I thought was really cool about the 8. Of course, y'all have probably known about all this for a long time, but this is my first newer camera. It's just really cool, all the things you can do with it. Now, word of warning though, I use the computer I built
to edit, just exclusively. I don't do anything really on my phone, and I don't upload these videos to my phone first until now, unless I want to, you know, if I want to use they call them stickers, unless I want to use the GPS features, I have to now, because GoPro using GoPro Quick on the computer, for some reason you cannot use the stickers and any of the GPS information on the desktop app or program. Now, I emailed GoPro about this because, like I said, I use my computer to edit, and essentially the GPS information is useless on the desktop because it's all ghosted out. It says turn your GPS on, use this. Well, the GPS was on. When I emailed GoPro about it, they pretty much said, yeah, it doesn't work on the 8, but we have no plans to fix it or update it, which really made me upset, because that's one of the reasons I got this camera, instead of, you know, say like a 4 black, which is still a really old camera, I know, but I can still do 1080 and 1080p.
There's one thing V-twins love, it's fuel.
Alright, y'all, so my battery gave out on my GoPro back there, and I don't know what I got recorded and what I didn't. So we had just a short little ride today. We didn't ride many places, and I didn't record much either. I didn't record after breakfast in Elgin, and we're coming back through Elgin right now. We went down south to Smithville to the Smithville Airport, 84 Romeo, if y'all fly. I used to fly, and I'm looking to getting back into it, but we just went down there to hang out at the airport. And we saw an old hangar mate out there, so we talked to him. But we had a nice little ride. Didn't ride, like I said, didn't ride very far, but we just short little hops, and that's about it. One thing I did talk about was the GPS app that I'm using now. It's called Scenic, and I used to use Waze and just Apple Maps, but it wasn't really suited for motorcycle riding too much. So like this ride, we've been on this ride for an hour and 37 minutes, and we've gone 78 miles. When you stop, it senses that you stopped, and it pauses your ride, and you can get out of the app and go do whatever you want on your phone, lock the phone, whatever. And when you get ready to ride again, you just open the app, and it picks up right where you left off, because it detects that you started moving again. So it knows where you stopped and paused and all that. You don't have to recreate it each time you get on, which I really like that. And then once you're done for the day, you hit save, and it saves your whole route, your whole day. There's also kind of a point system you can go by, and it'll, you know, there's some people that use it all the time, and they have millions and millions of points, but and you don't get anything for it, just get to be on the list, other than that, but it's still a fun little app. And right now I have it in dark mode, just because I guess my phone's in dark mode. I like the black mode better, I don't know why, but it'd probably go to day mode if you switch your phone to day mode. But thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing. So thank y'all again for watching. And remember, ride safe, ride often, and we'll see y'all soon.